Hello everyone, greetings of the day. In my today's lecture series, I would like to discuss about the very interesting topic of today, that is the leading. Yes, definitely. When we are talking about the leading and leading in the uncertainty period, that is very much important. Nowadays, everybody is facing the problem from the pandemic era, and in this case, how the company leaders and the organizational leaders are leading the way so that they can effectively manage the things. As you know that most of the work are being done by the employee work from home. So here are some specific strategies that for leading through uncertainty. So the very first and important strategy is embrace the discomfort of not knowing. Yes, shift from a know it all to a learn it all mindset. Obviously, you don't need to have all the answers, but in this case, you have to find out all the answers and you have to shift your know it all, to a learn it all mindset. Definitely that will give you a better leading processes in the organization. So embrace the discomfort of not knowing. Second important aspect is distinguish between complicated and complex issues, as they require different solutions. Definitely not always we are having the one solution of every problem. So in this case, what are the leaders' responsibility? Leaders' responsibilities are they must distinguish between complicated and complex issues so that they require different solutions at the different situations, and accordingly they are able to lead well in the organization, especially in the period of uncertainties. Third important aspect is let go of perfectionism. Yes, perfection is the key. Instead, aim for the progress, expect mistakes also, and recognize that you have the ability to continually course correct as needed. Yes, when you are working, definitely there is a chances of mistakes. If the leaders are not working, the chances of mistakes are not there. So let go of perfectionism while you are aiming for the progress. Expect the mistakes also and recognize that. Definitely that will give you a effective strategies for leading. Another important concern is resist the urge to oversimplify and come to quick conclusions. So in this case, what should you do? Take a disciplined approach to understanding both the complexity of the situation and your own biases. So you must resist the urge to oversimplify and come to the quick conclusions. You have to wait a while and you have to think over it, and you have to think the every aspects of the situation. After that you have to go for the conclusions, and definitely it works, and this is the another strategy you work on. Next important fifth strategy is don't go it alone. Yes, that means cultivate and connect with the network of peers group and the colleagues, each with their own set of experiences and perspectives. Yes, you must consult with your peer group and the networks. Don't go it alone. You must collect the different suggestions, and you must share your experiences of the situations so that you can come to learn that how you can work on the different situations and the uncertainty period. So don't go it alone. This is another fundamental. Zoom out. Yes, another important aspect is that you have to take a broad and systematic view of the issues at hand, and this can reveal unexamined assumptions also that would otherwise be invisible. So you have to broaden your area. You have to take a broad and systematic view of the issues at hand which can reveal unexamined assumptions which you have in your mind, and that would otherwise be invisible if you are not thinking of in this manner. So these are the 6 leading strategies in the uncertainty period. So let us have a quick look on this. First is embrace the discomfort of not knowing. Second is distinguish between complicated and complex issues. Third is let go of perfectionism. Fourth is resist the urge to oversimplify and come to quick conclusions. Fifth is don't go it alone. Last one is zoom out yourself. So thank you so much. In my today's management perspective, I have discussed this important topic. Take care of yourself, be safe, and take care of your family well.